In this video, I'll show you how to use JVC Remote with JVC TV. So make sure your TV and your remote is in this direction of this. So when you press this, if it's not turning on, what you need to do, you need to turn off the power. So I'll turn off the power and I'll turn it back on. As soon as I'll turn that on, I'll see the red light again. So you can see that red light. Now if I turn that TV on, it will come on. There you go. So now it's on. So usually what happens, it gets stuck at red light. But when you turn off and on, it will reset. Now I'll show you how to use the remote. So let's wait. Okay, it's loading. That's mean it's loading. It's an Android TV. So you can use it on any Android device. You can also connect it with the Android. So on this TV, on this remote, we have menu, exit. So for example, if you're not getting any channel, it says new channel detected, but you can't see any channel, yeah? So there you go, you can't see any channels coming up. So that could be the reason that your TV antenna is not properly connected. So your TV antenna is over here. It's an external TV channel. So if we move it a little bit, there you go. So when you will move it, it will get the channels. Usually, if it's with the wall, it should work. There you go. That's working. So what usually happens, if it's next to the like on the floor or anywhere, it won't work. But you can move that on top of the window. That's the best way you can do it. The indoor antennas are always like that. So if you're getting no signal, that's what the problem is. Next thing what you can do, if you're getting that kind of a problem, you click free view on your remote. So if I click free view, it will give me the option of all free view channels. So there you go. Now you can see all free view channels. Yeah. So for example, ITV2, if I press that, retrieving data, no signal. So now what I need to do, I need to make sure that my TV antenna is connected properly. So this is where my antenna is. This is my TV antenna. Make sure it's connected properly. Okay. Second thing what you need to do, you need to move your TV antenna a little bit higher. How will you do that? You just lift that up. There you go, that's working.